Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick DIY washi cutter card. And these are the supplies you'll be needing. A washi tape of your choice. This is kind of like a sticker just to decorate it. Some scissors, some of this like packaging tape, and like a gift card. I didn't really have any, so I just used my Tuesday morning perks card. And so I don't know if you can do stuff with the numbers with it, so I just try to cover it. I mean, not like I have money on there or anything, but I have the app downloaded to like my Apple wallet, so yeah, I didn't mind using this one. But definitely don't use like a credit card or like an old credit card or something like that, in case you like lose it. And yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. So I decided to go with 2 layers of washi in each like little roll I created, just because since it does have some writing on the front, I try to cover it with the washi, and I do like the look of it. I'm not sure if you have like a card that maybe has like darker writing, if you could do 3 layers. I'm not sure how bulky that would be, but 2 layers worked really good for me. And this washi is pretty light. It's like a really light blush pink, so I think doubling it up really made it stand out a bit more. And you just really want to line it up pretty close to each other just for it to look, you know, cohesive together. And you definitely want to like smooth it out, no little bumps on there. So the main key points are, if you do have some writing and your washi is kind of light, you might want to double it up and try to put your rows like as close together as you can. As you see, I kind of like unstick it, reposition it until I get it right. Make sure there's no bubbles, just because when you put like the masking packing tape, whatever, you don't want it to look like when you put a new screen protector on your phone and you have a bunch of bubbles on it. So definitely try to take your time on it, and it's really easy, really quick. I got this idea from Ellie, and I'll put her YouTube channel on the screen. I don't think she made a video on it. I tried to find one, but I didn't see it. But when she uses washi, she uses this little card that she made. And hers, it's like one washi tape, and then I think she put like a rainbow on the right hand side. I'm not sure if she used like a sticker or something like that, but it's a rainbow, and then she put the tape over it. For mine, as you will see though in just a little bit, I decided not to put the sticker before I put the masking tape, just because it made it look more bulky. So I just put it on top. And when you put something on top, like instead of like kind of covering it with like the tape, it's just be warned that it will probably get like messed up and ruined, especially if it's like a sticker. But you can also put like a die cut, which will also probably get messed up if you don't put like the masking tape on top of it. There's like puffy stickers, there's like little bows. I mean, you can decorate it with so many different ways. So I got like 4 little rows, I don't know what to call it, on here. So you can do, I mean, there's just so many options. Like you can use just 1 washi, which is what I did. You can use 2 washis and make a pattern, like 1 and then the other one and then 1 and then the other one. You could do all 4 different. So I tried to mold the washi to the edges, kind of like take off the excess, trim it on the top, bottom, and the sides. So this is what it looks like with double washi on each one. So you see I'm cutting the corners. If you, I don't know, I just hate like kind of like extra, so I just cut it off, but the little card will kind of be revealed at the bottom, but it was white, so I didn't really mind it. And you just go and kind of like see right there, you can see the white. So So you just go and kind of like try to fold it over. So this is the sticker I'm going to be using on top. It's like a little moped. It's from the LOL collection from Hobby Lobby. So this is where I'm going to see if I want to put the masking tape over it, but I decided no, because it was going to make it too bulky. So you're just going to get your masking tape, cover your area, and to be honest, this tape kind of, I don't know, it's just hard to work with. It's from the Dollar Tree, but it did its job, and I definitely like how like it made the gold foil stand out more. It's kind of like when you laminate something, you know, it just makes it way more vibrant. And I didn't really notice, but somehow like I kind of made a little pattern with the gold lashes, like it's stacking upwards, so I like that. I didn't want to do a second layer of this tape on it, just because the sharper the better it is to cut your washi, so one layer was enough for me. So this is kind of where the tape was being like a little hard to work with. I had got like this wrinkle on it, and I tried smoothing it over with my finger with the scissors. It didn't work, and the little wrinkle was pretty like firmly on the tape, so I just decided to take it off and just put a brand new tape, and it worked out better. On another note, do you see my dip powder nails are finally coming off? I never really got to researching how to take them off. I just decided to kind of let them come off on their own since they were pretty thick, and they're slowly but surely coming off, and I'm ready to do my next set. Hopefully they'll come out better. I definitely got the hang of it by my second hand, so yeah. I'm really happy with how this came out. It was such a quick, easy, and fun little DIY to make. I'm definitely going to be making more. I don't really have any crafty friends, so I'll just make one probably for my brother, my mom, my little cousin, and maybe more for myself. Just because they're so cute, and like definitely if you use like, you know, your favorite washi, I don't know, it just bring you some little joy when you use it to cut your washi on your projects. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at glamgirlcrafts. I'll put it up on the screen just so you can see when I make more. I'll be posting a picture. I'm going to show you a couple of the other options you have to use to cut washi. So there's the ruler I got from Hobby Lobby, regular scissors, these I also got from Hobby Lobby on clearance, and the first one was from Chrissy Ann Designs, I believe, from Michaels. And then this is the washi cutter I just made. That's how it cuts. That was like that side. And then here's the bottom part. You just lay down your washi, hold it down, and rip it off. Here's the ruler from Hobby Lobby. And then next is going to be the Chrissy Ann one. That's like a washi holder slash cutter. And that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys make some. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.